Wednesday. Okay, we've been doing prepositions and objects of prepositions and adding in brackets to show the prepositional phrase, which is the preposition, its object, and all the words in between. So if you need to watch this, remember you can watch it once through and then go back and do it a second time while you write it on your paper. So it's up to you. All right, so we're going to have all those things in the sentence today. Here we go. The wealthy man spoke passionately yesterday about the new library. Who spoke passionately yesterday about the new library? Man, subject noun. What is being said about man? Man spoke, the verb. Spoke how? Passionately, adverb. Spoke when? Yesterday, adverb. Oh, you got it. About, preposition. About what? Library, object of the preposition. What kind of library? New, adjective. The, article, adjective. Go back to the beginning. What kind of man? Wealthy, adjective. The, article, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. About the library, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. A lot to do. Number 2. The little red fox hid shyly behind the bushes. Who hid shyly behind the bushes? Fox, subject noun. What is being said about the fox? Fox hid, verb. Ooh. Hid where? Oh, no. What are we going to do? Behind. Is that a preposition or is that an adverb? Well, because it has all these other words coming with it, I'm going to ask the question to help me figure out. So remember, if it's a preposition, I'll say behind what, and there will be an answer. Behind what? There is an answer, bushes. So it's the object of the preposition. So I know behind is not an adverb, but it's a preposition. Okay? The is an article adjective. What about shyly? Ooh. How did he hide? Shyly, adverb. Go back to the front of the sentence. What kind of fox? Red, adjective. What kind of fox? Little, adjective. The, article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check for prepositional phrases. Behind the bushes, yes. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. So I want you to know that sometimes a preposition will look like an adverb, but if you ask the word or the question what after the preposition, if you say the preposition and then say what, and there is an answer, then it's going to be a preposition, not an adverb. Number 3, let's read it together. The teacher looked longingly at the new computer in the store. Who looked longingly at the computer in the new store? Teacher, subject, noun. What is being said about teacher? Teacher looked, verb. Looked how? Longingly, adverb. At, preposition. At what? Not new. At computer, object of the preposition. What kind of computer? New, adjective. The, article adjective. Keep going down the sentence. In, preposition. In what? In store, object of the preposition. The, article adjective. Go back to the beginning of the sentence. Oh, we have another the, article adjective. All right, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. Check for prepositional phrases at the new computer, in the store. Good. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb. Divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Good job. Now today we're going to do a noun check. So remember, this is where we go through. We look for the nouns, and then we tell whether they're singular, plural, common, or, yep, proper. All right, sentence number 1. Noun, man. Common, proper. Singular, plural. Okay? Man, singular. Common or proper? Common. Verb. Remember, now we're looking for objects of prepositions as well. Library. Sorry, noun. Library. Singular, plural? Singular. Common or proper? Common. Good. Sentence number 2. Looking for the nouns. Remember, the first job it does is the subject. Socks. All right. We first ask ourselves, singular or plural? Singular. It's just one of them. Common or proper? Good. Common. It is not a name. Any others? Yes. Good. The object of the preposition down here, bushes. Common or proper? Singular or plural? Ooh, this one is plural and common. Sentence number 3. Teacher. Singular or plural? Singular. Common or proper? Common. Others? Good. Computer. Singular or plural? Singular. Common or proper? Common. Good. And then the last one? Store. Singular or plural? Singular. Common or proper? Common. Good job. Remember, the jobs that a noun can do in a sentence are the object of the preposition or a subject noun. Both of those are jobs that nouns will do in a sentence. All right. Today is also a writing day, so I'm just going to quickly kind of tell you what's on your worksheet that you have to do. So for writing time today, we have that these 4 nouns shown on the paper, and you are going to take and write a verb for each one. And so you make up your own. So birds sing, boat sinks, flowers grow, kite flies. So you're going to do your own. You can do whatever you want as the verbs. That's up to you. And then what you're going to do, number 1, it says to take and choose one of the ones from above, one of the subject noun verbs from above, and make it into an interesting sentence. So, for example, if I wanted to take my first one, it says birds sing. That's not an interesting sentence. So I want to add some, just like we do when we build our sentences, I want to add some adjectives and adverbs. So again, I could say the small, noisy birds flew into my bedroom. So I'm taking my subject, noun, and verb that I had. Oh, I changed it, didn't it? So let's say I said birds flew. Sorry about that. So I took birds flew, I made it into an interesting sentence by adding adjectives, adverbs, prepositional phrases, whatever. And then number 2 says that you're going to take and you're going to illustrate your sentence, which means that you're going to actually draw out a picture. Okay, so here's my bedroom window, and here's my birds, and my birds are flying into my bedroom. Okay, and then you're going to change one word in your sentence that will change the meaning of it. And so if I go back to my original sentence, I might change it from small to huge. So I might say the huge noisy birds flew into my bedroom, which would change it completely. And you might imagine Big Bird from Sesame Street flying in your bedroom window instead of some tiny little birds. Okay, so that's what you're doing for your writing time today. And again, you have a sheet that you can kind of fill it in on, and you can just write the sentences there, or you can write them in your writing notebook if you want to, if it's easier. Okay? Yeah, we'll make it all for today.